Okay guys, do you guys think there is something missing around here? I do. Today we are gonna take off these mud guards, I believe they're called, and we're gonna be putting some rear spats or rear aprons, whatever you like to call them, so we can connect with this and just make it one whole smooth transition. It's gonna be a quick little install today, but I am excited to do this. It's one of our cheapest mods that we ever done. I got these actually on eBay for $35. So let's get right to it. It shouldn't take more than 5 minutes. Let's go. So that is it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the spats install. Of course, there will be more stuff to the car, so just stay tuned. And again, if you guys are not following my Instagram, you definitely should, because I always post their pics too. So make sure to check out my Instagram. Go ahead and follow. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. On to the next one. Peace.